Well, this ought to be about the simplest and most effective upgrade that I've ever done in my life. Okay guys, so today what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do is how to install the Hot Unlock on your Edge Juice with Attitude CTS or CTS2 monitor. Edge Products basically has this Hot Unlock that you can buy after you have their product already. This Hot Unlock will give you a little bit different power settings, and how you do it is you go on their website, edgeproducts.com. There'll be a drop-down menu. You go into the menu, you go into support, and then from support, you'll see a little link that says Hot Unlock. So you click on that. You want to find your specific Edge product in that list to make sure that the Hot Unlock is available for it. And if you see that it is, you go down to the bottom of the list, and at the bottom, there'll be a button to purchase this Hot Unlock code for $100. When you click to purchase the Hot Unlock code, you will have to sign a waiver. This waiver pretty much waives all rights for you to be able to sue Edge Products if your engine blows up, if your transmission blows up. Basically, if anything happens to your truck, if you crash it, if you hit somebody and kill somebody, you're waiving all rights to have any kind of lawsuit against Edge Products. That is how powerful this Hot Unlock code is supposed to be, that you actually got to sign this waiver to be able to get it. So once you accept that agreement, you will then pay the $100 and you will get a confirmation email with the unlock code. That unlock code you then punch in your computer, and what it does is it enables you to have a separate tune. So I have 0 through 5. So 0 is stock, and then I have settings 1 through 5. And obviously the higher you go, the more performance and the more fuel it gives your engine. So mine's maxed out at 5 right now. So now with the Hot Unlock code that I enter into this computer, it'll give me a whole nother level. So I will have 6 levels of performance. So basically what that does is it gives you a whole nother level of timing and fuel being added to your engine. So depending on what vehicle you have, most people say it's about a 60 horsepower increase. But some say it could be more or less. It all depends on how you want to look at it, because what the Hot Unlock actually does for my truck model year, which is second gen Cummins, 99 through 01, what they say it does is it'll keep fueling until you hit the rev limiter. These max out at about 3,200 RPM. So this programmer will fuel it all the way up to 3,200 RPM, where up until now, settings 1 through 5 only fueled it to about 2,800 RPM. And then it stopped. Then, you know, the minute you went over 2,800 RPM, it would no longer pull hard and it would just stop fueling. So what this Hot Unlock does is it allows it to fuel all the way to 3,200 RPM. They've also made it a hotter tune in general. So it's gonna fuel harder down low as well. And it's also gonna fuel harder in the mid-range. So your turbo is gonna light quicker, because the sooner and the faster you get your fueling to your engine, the faster your turbo is gonna spool. And that all has to do with the amount of fuel they're giving it and the timing in which they're, you know, producing that fuel in. So it's advancing the timing and it's adding more fuel. It's just a win-win all around. From what I understand, it's well worth the $100 upgrade. Certain times a year you can get this upgrade for $50. They run a sale on it. But from what I understand, even for $100, it's well worth it. I don't think anything would even come close to it for a $100 mod for your vehicle, especially the simplicity of it. So what you want to do is you want to go into settings. Settings. You want to go to Hot Unlocker. Now when you buy this Hot Unlock, you're going to need your serial number. This is how you'll find your serial number to type it in on their website to be able to get the code. So you need your serial number. It's also on the back of your monitor as well, if you don't know how to get into this. So you'll need that serial number to be able to get your Hot Unlock code, because I believe the Hot Unlock codes are linked with the serial number. There's guys online that were asking for people's Hot Unlock code because they're hoping, you know, maybe it would work on their computer. And a lot of guys actually got mad at them and decided, if I got to pay $100 for it, so do you. Well, I really don't care. Here's my code. So if you guys want to try that code on your computer, I really don't think it's going to work. If you want to try it and it works, good for you. I'm glad I saved somebody some money. But I highly doubt it's going to work, because I'm pretty sure that code is linked to that SN number. So let me punch this code in and let's see what happens. So it's DEF4. So DEF4. Okay, DEF4. go to done, and this should unlock me a whole nother tuning level. Done. It says level 6 has been unlocked, press enter to continue. So press enter. Okay, we'll go back home. Okay, now before I was only able to get to level 5. Let's go up and see if I have 6. Boom, there's level 6. So that's about the easiest power increase I've ever had in my life, and probably one of the most well worth it for the money. So that is the Edge Juice with Attitude Hot Unlock. Hopefully this helps guys who haven't done this yet. Go to the website, go to the drop down menu, go to support, go to Hot Unlock. You have to complete that form with your information, your serial number. You have to accept it. You pay $100 through PayPal. And this is the most important step. You have to get redirected to their website. If you go from PayPal and just exit, you will lose your code, because that's what I did. You have to make your payment on PayPal, and then you have to redirect yourself to their website. There should be a link somewhere on the PayPal website to redirect you back to the Edge site, and that's where they give you your Hot Unlock code. I closed the web page out and I lost my Hot Unlock code, and I had to wait till Monday to give Edge Products a phone call so that they were able to give me my code. So that's just a warning for you guys. If you're buying this code, make sure that after you purchase it through PayPal that you go back to their website immediately after to get the Hot Unlock code from them. Okay, well, I will be doing some testing with this, and I will have another video out soon. I know I did a 0 to 60 test with stock versus 0 to 60 on setting 5x5 with the programmer maxed out. It was a pretty huge difference in power and speed compared to stock, and now I'd like to do a test with level 6. So if you guys would like to see that, comment down below. Also, if this Hot Unlock code worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I highly doubt it will, but be curious to know if it does work for somebody. And other than that, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.